How to redeem Victoria's Secret gift card. Hello everyone, this is Neha from Create, Login and Delete, and today in this video I'm going to talk about how can you redeem your Victoria's Secret gift card. So start by opening a browser and visiting www.victoriasecret.com, and once you have redirected to their official webpage, make sure that you're logged into your Victoria's Secret account. Next, choose a category of items you'd like to purchase. For this demonstration, I'm going to choose the Moodle Long Pajama Set. Likewise, you can also choose the item you want to purchase. As soon as you reach on this page, you can also choose the colors you want and the sizes you'd like to purchase for, length, and even other options if available. After this, also select the number of the items you'd like to purchase and click on Add to Bag. Now simply proceed to check out and click on Checkout option again. Fill out the necessary information including your billing address and contact details as well. On the second form, you can enter any offer codes you have. To use a gift card, select a Use a Gift Card option over here. Click on it. Scratch off the metallic cover to reveal the gift card number and PIN, and then apply it. That's all it takes to redeem your Victoria's Secret gift card. Give it a try, and we appreciate you taking time to watch this guide. If you found this video to be helpful, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel for more amazing contents. Thank you. See you in the next video.